Welcome to PA Timber Goose, another beautiful Sunday morning hike. Today we're back at Climbers Run. We're going to follow Climbers Run all the way up to the low-grade trail. That's a really cool rock formation up there. Wonder how high that is up there. I could see tracks going up around the side, so somebody was climbing up there. We're going to explore all the way up to the low-grade trail today. Got my tiny fly rod in my backpack today. I'm not sure if we find a school of fish in this shallow stream, maybe we'll drift a couple flies through there. So come along with us as we explore Climbers Run stream. If you like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button, help my channel grow. And as always, give this video a like. Thanks for coming along this morning on our Sunday morning hike. The low-grade trail is at the other end of here. According to Google Earth, if you follow the stream, you'll run right into it. So I'm not going to go down there because there's too many posted signs. So we're going to climb up on top of here and take a look up there, see where it goes. So we'll be right back. Up on top of the mountain, that was quite a climb up there. We are going to go down the left side of Climbers Run, and I'm pretty sure it's posted all the way around. So no access to the low-grade trail from this area here. So we'll continue to explore the park and see what else we can find. It's very beautiful sitting here. I had to climb over a big blowdown at the bottom, and then I kind of went around the private property to see if there was a trail that comes up here. And it actually doesn't. It kind of goes behind me and switchbacks down to the bottom. And there's a cool bench sitting up here. I'm gonna sit here and take a break. Turn the camera around and you can see where I came from down below down here. That's where I came from. Climbers Run parking lot is over here. And I followed the stream all the way up to the huge rock formation. And then I came around the other side and up on the top. So now we're sitting up on top looking down in. So I actually climbed up the front of that steep rock face. I did not want to climb through the bushes and get all tore up by the pickers. Very beautiful up here. It's kind of chilly on the top. It was quite a climb coming up that front. You get all sweaty and you get over top of the mountain here on top and the air's whipping, so you get chilled pretty quick. I should come out at the bottom where I was fishing last week, down there. That's Climbers Run. This trail just kind of weaves down through the woods, down to the bottom. Being the curious person that I am, I just kind of bumble along and try to figure out where everything is. This morning I took about 6 different roads. Didn't even turn my GPS on, and I kind of used my internal compass up here to figure out where I was. And I came out right on Frogtown Road where I was supposed to. It's very peaceful up here today, still a little chilly. Yesterday we had some snow flurries in the morning. It snowed for about 10 or 20 minutes. I thought I was seeing things, but winter's still hanging on. It's not spring yet. Here's the other side of the loop. This must loop up around. You follow a trail. Follow a trail up here, it'll loop around here. The bench I sat on was over here, and then it just goes up and around. So now we know where that trail goes. Using no map or electronics. Boots on the ground. Today I have my rubber hunting boots on, because I knew it was going to be wet down there at the bottom. And I did do a face plant in the rocks. I saved my camera. I wrapped my arm around it. Luckily I didn't break the lens or my arm. That was kind of smart. Always wear the proper footwear. Nothing like a pair of neoprene camouflage hunting rubber boots. They will keep your feet warm in wet conditions. Some people call them muck boots. Headed down the trail, and I believe this is just going to cut over when it gets to the bottom, and we'll work our way back to the barn. We're going to end this video here. Thanks for coming along today on our Sunday morning hike. As always, give this video a like. It helps other people see it. Hit that subscribe button to help my channel grow. And always, thanks for coming along with Pequea Timber Goose on our morning hike. We will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Here's our first wildlife sighting today. That's a case of a stonefly. It's a cool looking flower. Not sure what that is. I think it's a bluebell. Let me know down in the comment section if you know what kind of flower that is. They're starting to pop out everywhere in here. So beautiful. Got some chickadees chirping at me back there. Coming over to check me out.